Watch this quick video if you want me to help you build an elite social circle with both high-value friends and attractive women in the next 30 days without cold approaching, without swiping on dating apps, or spending another weekend sitting at home alone. I'm going to be doing this by giving you my social funnel system that attracts these people directly to you, completely done for you. And this isn't just another pickup script or a gimmicky way to shoot out DMs to hot girls on Instagram hoping that they respond to you. This is a way for successful men who are serious about increasing their social value and network through a proven system that I created for myself and have helped several other guys implement to meet beautiful women and other successful men in their city. And I'm so confident in this system that if you don't see real results in your life within 30 days, you don't pay, no strings attached. That's my offer to you. Now, why do some guys seem to get all the girls, get invited to all the parties, and have an endless stream of connections while others can't even get a simple text back or have a good match online? Well, it's not about looks, man. It's not about money either, and it's definitely not about luck. The truth is, having a successful social life isn't just random. It's the result of having the right system in place. So just a few years ago, I was a guy that was new to the city, no friends, no connections, and the only women interested in dating me were the ones that had so many filters on their profile pictures, they were practically catfishing me. So I was hanging out at the wrong places, meeting the wrong people, and rarely connecting with the women I was actually excited about. So I was sick and tired of it, and I felt completely isolated. So I went all in on solving this problem. And after trying every dating coach and taking every course and reading every book out there, I discovered something game-changing. It's the power of a social circle. What if instead of swiping endlessly on dating apps, hoping for a decent match, what if instead of facing approach anxiety and awkwardly introducing yourself to strangers, and what if instead of trying to become a local celebrity with elaborate networking schemes and charity events, what if I could show you a system that brings you high-value friends and beautiful women directly to you with minimal effort in just a few days? Let me be clear, most guys are doing this completely wrong. They're relying on dating apps where they blend in with thousands of other profiles. They're attempting cold approaches that often feel defeating and rarely lead to real connections. So they're showing up to events or social places alone with zero leverage, always trying to spark something up from scratch. And worst of all, they're hiding behind work routines and being busy as an excuse for the lack of the real social connections in their life. And at the end of the day, the real problem, it's not your social skills, man, and it's not your appearance. It's that you're starting from zero every single time. You have no system, you have no leverage, you have no social momentum. And meanwhile, guys who aren't as successful as you and who aren't as fit as you and who aren't as good looking as you and who aren't as interesting as you build amazing social circles and they date beautiful women. Why? Because they figured out a system. They didn't get lucky. And that's exactly how my social funnel works. First, I create audiences on Instagram specifically targeting the exact type of people you want to meet in your city. And don't worry, this doesn't require you to use your face or your name or have any relation to your profiles here. So let me explain it. So for the ladies, I use artificial intelligence to figure out the highest concentration zip codes of single women within the age ranges that you're interested in your city, whether that's the ones that, like yoga and fitness, or shy girls who are into anime, or maybe it's like surfer girls who spend the day at the beach, even country girls that love to dance. Ultimately, what I can do is build out an audience for your exact type on Instagram. And for the guys, I know how to target successful, socially active men who are looking to expand their social circles, entrepreneurs, professionals, and they could even be in your industry and have the same interests. So what I do is then I create an ad campaign for you, and I run the ad to these audiences. But these aren't just ordinary ads. They're social invitations that keep you in ghost mode without having to appear in them personally. And so while you're sleeping and while you're at work and while other guys are desperately approaching strangers at the park, you're being flooded on your Instagram inbox with messages from local, high-quality people that want to socialize and connect with you. And once these connections start coming in, I give you my exact copy-paste method to throw a fun, free, easy party at a public place that brings all of these people together. So there's no need for elaborate charity events or bikini competitions. These gatherings establish you as the connector. You get all the benefits of getting the attention and being the host and getting all of the leverage that naturally attracts friends and romantic interests. So this bit of leverage is all that you've been missing to see success. See, my system is simple. Run ads, host parties, run ads, host parties, run ads, host parties, and form great relationships. And you're going to get a self-sustaining social circle that brings quality people into your life automatically. So whether you want to try to connect with high-value friends, or if you want to meet women that you're interested in and find a wife, this system isn't just a theory, it's proven. And it's worked across all different cities with all kinds of guys. Peter in Los Angeles, California went from completely overlooked to having an overflowing social calendar in just a few weeks after implementing this strategy. So using just one Instagram ad for him, he created a massive social circle of entrepreneurs and top models in LA, California. And Chris, he lives in a small town in Florida where most people would say that it's impossible to meet high quality people. Dude, we ran one simple Instagram ad that blew up his social life with cool guys and attractive women. And even Jim, he landed a date within one party that we put together the very next week with the hottest girl that he's ever been with. So the social game works. The reason it works, and hear me out on this, is because it's backed by science. So studies have found that people are far more likely to be attracted to someone who is a part of their social circle. This is known as the proximity effect. But the problem for most guys is that they don't have this. They're starting alone. And that's exactly what my system solves. So once again, here's my offer to you. I will personally install my complete social funnel system to transform your social circle. No more swiping, no more mustering up the courage for a cold approach, and no more excuses. I'm not going to be teaching you any pickup artistry theory. This is completely done for you. It's a foolproof system, and it's gonna change your life. And finally, there's no pressure on you to try and become something that you're not. I do all of the work for you. All you have to do is show up and meet the people who are already interested in connecting with you. So if any of that resonates with you and you're ready to level up and meet other successful men and date attractive women, click below this video, schedule a time to meet with my team, and to be clear, man, this is a no pressure conversation. We'll dive into exactly what we suggest for you based off of past clients that have been in your city, and ultimately show you exactly how your social life will be transformed in the next 30 days, guaranteed. Remember, without a system, you're just another guy trying to get noticed in a sea of competition. With my social funnel system, you become the guy everybody wants to know. So imagine hosting one party completely done for you and never needing to worry about being single or finding a wife ever again. Click the button below, find a time for us to meet. I'm looking forward to speaking with you, man, and I'll see you soon.